another day in the life.
Hello and welcome to Epitome Car Detailing. Let's learn how to polish any metal surface on a vehicle. I'll be bringing back some life to the wheels of this 67 Volkswagen Beetle with CarPro Metallicut. The great thing about CarPro Metallicut is that it is perfect for all types of metal, including stainless steel, aluminum, and chrome. When I talk about polishing any metal surface, I mean any metal trim, exhaust, or in this case, wheels. First thing you want to do is to clean the surface that you're working on. This Beetle has metal trim all over it, so I'm going to start with the APC pre-wash, and of course it's properly diluted. Next, I'll be using CarPro Descale to strip this vehicle of any waxes or sealants. If you find any value in this video, I just ask that you hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps put my videos out to other people like you who might be interested, and I would really appreciate it. Now that your surface is cleaned, you can start polishing by hand with a clean microfiber towel or with a polisher like I'll be using. This here is a Griot's G8 with a 3-inch backing plate, and I'm using a Eurofiber microfiber cutting pad. It's important to note that before using your microfiber cutting pad, you should properly prime it before using it. If you're using a microfiber towel, then all you have to do is apply 3 drops and go in smooth, even circles all throughout the surface that you're working on. Our goal with this Volkswagen Beetle was simply to bring some life back to the wheels. If you have a vehicle with heavier oxidation on chrome or metal, then you can use 4/0 steel wool in conjunction with the CarPro Metallicut to get a more aggressive cleaning and cutting power. After you're done polishing, all you have to do is take a clean microfiber towel and buff off your work. And just like that, it's super simple to polish your wheels or any metal on your vehicle. I highly recommend CarPro Metallicut. This is my first time using it, and I'll definitely continue to use this on my customers' vehicles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, peace.